If you want to enhance your security by removing old devices from your Wells Fargo account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app and log in using your username and password. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services or Profile section. Look for an option labeled Security Settings or Manage Devices to access the relevant settings. Step 3. Review registered devices. In the security settings, you will see a list of devices that are currently registered to your account. Take a moment to review this list and identify any devices you no longer use. Step 4. Remove all devices. Select the device you wish to remove and look for an option such as Remove or Delete. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the device is successfully removed from your account. Step 5. Log out and secure your account. After removing the old devices, log out of your account. It is also a good idea to change your password to further secure your account, especially if you have removed devices that you suspect may have been compromised. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Wells Fargo security settings, helping to keep your account secure.